Do you want to send messages faster on Viber? In this video, I will show you how to enable the enter to send option on the Viber app step by step, so you can send messages instantly by pressing the enter key instead of tapping the second button. So let's go to see how it works. The first thing you have to do is to go to Viber app. In this page of Viber, you will go to these three dots, so you will tap here on three dots. Then in this page you will find this window of settings, so you will click on settings. After that you will find calls and messages settings, you will enter to it. After that you will find this first feature here of press enter to send. The send button will be used to send a message, so you will click here to enable this feature as you see. So that's it. If you are enjoying watching this video and if this video is helpful for you, don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.